Alright, so I've taken a good bit of stuff out now, and I just want to show you this part of how I set it. So you see I have these bins with a board on top and bins with the board on top, and these bins are made to be stackable, but I of course got a lot more use out of the bins by just putting them side by side with these custom support boards. And then I notched out the corner here so that the door, it would not impede on the door. And then I also had a yoga mat that I had up on top of here that hung down to just protect the side of the door here from getting any damage from rubbing vibration while I was driving. This board here I used, and it's supported by the headrests in the front, and it's just to prevent this other bin from sliding into the cockpit area if I had a sudden stop. So that worked great. I'm about to take that out and take the rest of this stuff out. I'll just show you real quick. Here's this other big bin. I'll take that out. And here's some of the stuff I got out of the car so far. So I'm going to show you once I have everything out.